I don't want a zip code in this city to determine a child's destiny, okay? I don't care what that situation may be, it's not their destination. And we got to do whatever we possibly can to help our young people. The CCTE program is a hand in glove for the Memphis Office of Youth Services. Every child will not be going to college. And it's so very important that our vocational and our technical arena are embracing our children. You know, some of our children just need that guidance. Home structure not like it used to be at all. I mean, it's not at all. And whatever that looks like doesn't have to necessarily mean that it has to always look like that. And that's why it's so very important that we guide and nurture and show love to our young people. And one thing about young people, they can tell if you love them or not. They can tell if you care for them or not. And when you can break that barrier of letting them know how you are pulling for them to be successful, whatever situation that they're in, it can be better, and show and guide them along the way. Because if we don't show our young people the right direction, the right way to go, you're gonna see much more violence. You're gonna see the social ills. You're gonna see all these negatives that you see each and every day. And many of our young people, they just need to be pointed in the right direction. I really feel that if we can bond together to give the youth in this city an opportunity, I think violence, to a certain extent, will be lowered. I think you'll have more children that will be more productive, you know, going to work, holding a job, and furthering their education if we just provide that opportunity. And I know we can, because Memphis is strong. We are the 901.
All of us are responsible for the other. And we can't separate education from the business world. And the future of economic development actually rests if we'll have the vision in our children. And if we can get our children excited as citizens to participate in an economy for the future, we have no idea where our city will go. The talent is here. I meet children every day, everywhere, and they come out of our Shelby County schools. They want to participate. Have we all stood up enough to make sure that can happen? And that is every business's responsibility, and I will preach it, and I will go and talk to every business to help them understand that if we equip, and as a lifelong educator, if you equip children now, they want to participate in the economy. People want to be a part of a thriving community, and our children are proud to be Memphians. They want to see Memphis at her best. I'm a devoted Memphian. I love to see Memphis at her best. So when we put together public and private partnerships, we can make magic. We just have to all step up to do it. And Memphis is a city of givers. Our businesses, we're one of the most corporately generous cities. What if we start aligning that corporate generosity with our economic development, with our children? Then we might hit a really nice sweet spot.